I've got to tell you, I wasn't sure if some of these viral Amazon travel items would actually be any good, but several have exceeded my expectations. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Now, I tested out several items before and during my last cruise that I went on, and I actually have ordered a couple of new things for my upcoming cruise that I will be sharing in just a couple of days. And I have to tell you, there was one, I would say it's a viral item. I truthfully wasn't sure if it would be any good, and it honestly was surprisingly useful, and I have a feeling that many people might love it. But either way, I do want to hear what you think. Now, before I get started, I did want to mention two things. First, the links to all of the different items that I'm talking about in today's video can be found below in the description, as well as a pinned comment. And secondly, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give this video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Let's get started. Okay, this might be one of the best items that I've ever found for at home, on cruises, travel, etc. This is the Wavy Talk Thermal Brush. Now, this item is one of the most well-reviewed items of this sort on Amazon, but truthfully, I wasn't planning to buy it because I did have another, but I made a little bit of a no-no. And I left it on my last cruise at the end of the cruise. Anyway, I did fill out a lost and found report, and they have not found it. In any case, got home, bought another one, bought this one. It is so much better than the old one that I have. I cannot tell you how genuinely good this is. And I think it's great for women with all different hair lengths. What you can do, obviously, after you blow dry your hair dry, so you do have to have dry hair for it, you could use this. But also, if you just need a hair refresh, if you wake up in the morning and you're like brushing through your hair, but you need to now curl your hair, give it that blowout look, this will do it. And it is extremely easy to use. The magnetic card holder, and it also becomes a little bit of a phone stand. Now, I actually bought this for my husband to use, and he has been using it, but I have stolen it from him because what I realize is, oh, and first of all, you do have like a card holder here, so it's great for a cruise because you put this right on the back of your phone, and then you can keep your cruise card and even a credit card if you are going on, you know, an excursion. You can keep your credit cards right inside here, which is great. But honestly, I kind of like it because it makes a little bit of a phone stand. So if you're on, you know, a flight and you want to prop up your phone a little bit, or if you're doing your makeup and you want to watch a little video or something while propping up your phone, this will do it. Whenever I'm packing for a cruise or any trip, there are two things that I do to keep my clothing organized and wrinkle-free. And recently I tried out a new product from Epica that was so useful while I was getting ready for my last cruise. Thank you to Epica for sponsoring today's video. Epica started out as one of the top travel adapter brands in the US, and they've since built out a full travel ecosystem, this time solving the other half of the packing problem, garment care and storage. First is the Epica Trip Cozy Garment Steamer. For cruise travelers, this is actually a really smart item to use before your trip while you're packing at home, because travel steamers usually aren't allowed on most ocean cruise ships. So this is ideal for cruise packing prep at home, but it's also really useful for hotel stays, land vacations, and international travel. What makes it especially practical for travelers is that it supports 100 to 240 volt automatic voltage adaptation. So it's designed for global travel without needing manual switching. And it also heats up in just 15 seconds. And one thing that sets it apart from cheaper steamers, the upgraded 3-layer airway heating system delivers fine saturated steam, so no water spitting on your clothes. It's also gentle on delicate fabrics like silk and wool. I also like that it's compact and lightweight, easy to pack for land travel with an LED display for simple operation and a 15-minute auto shut-off for safety. Then I use the Epica Trip Cozy Compression Packing Cubes. and these have really become one of my favorite travel essentials. Now, I have a set of 6, which gives you a nice mix of different sizes to organize different clothing and accessories. The dual zipper compression system helps save up to 50% of suitcase space while keeping everything more organized. They're also made with a durable double layer fabric, have a mesh panel so that you can see what's inside, include an antibacterial lining, and the sturdy design makes it easy to create makeshift drawers when you unpack on a cruise. What worked so well for me is that I steamed my clothing first, packed everything into the cubes, and my items stayed pretty wrinkle-free overall. When I unpacked in my cabin, I only needed a little bit of wrinkle releaser once I hung things up, which made everything so much easier. Now, Epica is running a spring promotion on both with the promo code and 20% off the Trip Cozy Compression Packing Cubes. I'm going to leave the link and code in the description below, as well as a pinned comment. You can also search for Epica or Epica Trip Cozy on Amazon for more information. Now, this next one was actually a suggestion from a viewer. And oh my goodness, this has been more game-changing than I thought. This is a foldable mini scissor. So look at how small this becomes. And I got a package of, I think, 5 or 6. I've started to put them all around my house because sometimes you just need a small scissor. This is great for traveling. And look, I am going to show you this item a little later and what it does. But it was even so handy as I was opening the package. Now, I do have that viral item coming up that I think has been like a little bit controversial. Some people love it, some people don't, but I'll share that in a minute. And I have at least a couple of things for the guys as well. But I did want to show you these new sandals I got. These are so cute, so comfortable. And you might even recognize like the design. They have a similar look to the Hermes design, but honestly, not with that price tag. But I will tell you, these are extremely comfortable, a nice neutral, and I am actually bringing them on my next cruise. So I wanted to show you this next little kind of gadget that I think is genius. Now, some of you might already know of this before, but I had never heard of it. So first, I have this lovely scarf that I have just purchased. I think this might be the 35 by 35. I just love it. You could wear it around your neck. You could wear it as a belt. You could wrap it around a purse strap, or some people even make like a little top out of this. So super, super cute. But what you can do is you can take any scarf and you can use these little scarf rings. Now, I bought a package of 3 and it came in silver gold and a nice rose gold. So I'm just going to show you with this one right here how just cute this is. And obviously you can tie this if you like, but I think that this is also a really nice idea. So you're just going to take the little ends of your scarf. You're going to put them through the little scarf ring, and there you go. And there are all sorts of little designs and wraps that you can do with this. But if you don't want to always tie a knot and you want something simple, even for wearing under like a little trench coat or a jacket at home, this is a very, very handy item and really very affordable. Now, I will show you this necklace as well. I just got this. I really like it. I will be bringing it on my next cruise as well. Charm necklaces, charm bracelets are very in style right now. This is by the brand Pavoi, P-A-V-O-I. I always find the quality of their jewelry, it's gold plated, is really very, very good for the price. And actually these little earrings, I like just little hoops and stuff like that. Super, super comfortable. And I got them also from there. So I am going to leave them down below. Now, I did want to give you a little bit of a follow-up on these towel bands. So I brought these towel bands. I've had other kinds before, and I found them harder to pull. These ones were very easy to pull. And while I used them, they actually didn't get discolored. So I quite like these, and really these are very much a space saver. Now, this is a t-shirt that Frank got recently. Now, I'm only bringing this up because it is Tommy Bahama, and you can buy this in stores. But something I was really surprised about, Frank just needed, you know, a few just casual t-shirts for by the pool, going out on excursions, etc. But we actually purchased a set of 2 on Amazon, and the price was, I am sure, significantly less than what I could find in the store. And honestly, it saves you from going out to the mall. And by the way, for anybody who is interested, Frank and Ethan, we are going to be doing a what to wear for men on a cruise packing video, including some of the clothing that they wear. And we actually found recently a similar pant to a Lululemon golf pant that is really nice. Ethan has been wearing them. So just in case, I'll also leave them below. Now, I have a couple of other travel items, including that viral one, to share with you. And then I'm going to show you just a few things that I got in my last Amazon haul and a follow-up on one product that especially for the ladies. So the Awala water bottle. This is the 32-inch. I did buy it maybe about a month ago. I shared it, but we hadn't used it before on cruise. Whoever has told me, actually several people, that this is the water bottle to get, you were totally right. It's phenomenal. I'm going to have to gift it to everybody I know. It is amazing. This is the free sip, by the way. I love the fact that it's got this little handle and all of the different parts come apart. It's very easy to clean. A crossbody phone lanyard. Now, this is really great for safety and security. If you are traveling this summer, I got this, I think I got it in black for my trip in the Mediterranean last year. And there are many places that you could use this. It is very handy. You can wear it crossbody, but I would say especially if you are planning a trip to Europe this year, you definitely want one of these. All right, the viral product or gadget, and truthfully, it is going viral. I have a short video that I created just trying this out on my recent celebrity cruise, and that video has over 800,000 views with differing opinions on it. Some people saying, I got it, it's amazing, I'm getting it, I can't wait. And other people saying, why? Why would you bring this on a cruise? So how it works is it is actually very lightweight, very portable. It closes up to this size. And what you can do is when you are picking up coffee or soft drinks or other drinks, some people even said that in regular life, if they go somewhere to a festival or something and they're bringing back beer to a crowd, they will be using this. I am curious on your thoughts. Either way, let me know if this is something that you might use for everyday life or on a cruise. Let me know down in the comments below. Cold ease. Now, sometimes people ask, how do you not get sick on a cruise? And of course, I don't have a guarantee, and it does sometimes happen. But we try to hedge our bets. Now, one of the things that we used to use pretty religiously a couple of years ago was cold ease. We didn't continue to always use it, but more often than not. But they do not sell this in Canada. So the last time I was in the US, I actually ordered it on Amazon, had it delivered to my hotel, which is a little bit of the travel hack that I use often. Anyway, cold ease, I have a feeling that the active ingredient might be zinc. I have taken zinc, but unfortunately for me, I feel like it doesn't always agree with my stomach. So, which is why I do actually think that cold ease taken a few days before your cruise and even during your cruise does seem to help. Let me know anecdotally for anybody who has tried it, what you think. This sun hat, how cute is this sun hat? It is actually very easy to pack. It is pretty foldable. I haven't actually tried though to fold it. To be honest, I'm just sort of worried that it is going to lose its shape. Now, I did pack it in my luggage with sort of stuff all around and inside, and I had the room. I had checked luggage. But something else you can do, especially if you're packing carry-on only, and I've done this before, is this little hat clip. It is magnetic. It's not inexpensive for a hat clip, but I've used the same one for probably about 4 years. The Epica International Travel Adapter. Now, Epica has several international travel adapters, so if you have one from before, honestly, these are really very good. All of them are very good. But this one that we tried recently is the 40W. What I really like is how thin it is. It is actually about, I think it's 40% thinner than the average one. It's also very sturdy, so it doesn't fall out of the wall. And you can see you have this plug for European outlets. You have this other plug as well. And you have the different USB-A's and a USB-C right here. Okay, quick update on Frowny's facial patches. Now, I mentioned in a past video that I usually do some Botox or Dysport, but it has been about 6 months since I have done it now. And I only started out, by the way, when I was 52. So I don't have a super smooth forehead, but it doesn't bother me that much. I like to have some amount of expression, but I don't want those deeper lines, which it did seem to help with. But the last time that I did it, I had a little bit of swelling over my eye. I think maybe the nurse practitioner might have put a little bit more than I needed, and I just didn't love that effect, and I was worried to do it before my last cruise. So I started to use these. A lot of people have said they've had actually pretty good success with it. I will say you have to do it every night. It is an extra part of the routine. I think that it's actually kind of working. So I think overall my forehead, I do have some lines. I only started when I was 52, but I don't mind having some expression at all. But I actually think that it's been pretty good. Anyway, that is my follow-up. I'll keep using them and I'll keep letting you know. Now, I am going to leave the links to all of the items that I mentioned in today's video down below in the description of the video, as well as a pinned comment. Please let me know, what are some of the items that you liked the most? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Bye for now and happy cruising.